Welcome to RPFILMS Dealer Program. Let's start with this one question, and I need you to answer it honestly. Do you know your exact profit margin and KPIs on a 4-door sedan installation? If you don't know this number, then please stick around because that is a clear indicator that you're in the right place. If you're watching this, you've already proven you're willing to go the extra mile to succeed as a business owner. Maybe you started with a dream, a vision, and perhaps you even thought this might be easy, but here is the thing. Owning your own window tinting business is a journey, and for many shop owners, it's not without its struggles. It can be very stressful to watch other shop owners with consistent work, high-paying clientele, and what seems like a scaling business. By taking this next step, you are ahead of so many other window tinters because you are about to unlock an all-in-one toolbox designed to replace your website, auto-quote and book clients 24/7, and a system to make sure every job you do is profitable. With our teams, you will have exact analytical insights and a true deep dive into how you can make your business successful. Our goal is to fine-tune every installation and key metric in your business to ensure you're not only profitable, but you're also making decisions with. The next step is to book a 30-minute consultation with our head of RPFILMS Dealer Program, Daniel. Daniel is an ex-United States Marine and helped scale an 8-figure home improvement business, and now will play a key role in helping you scale your tent shop. Welcome to RPFILMS Dealer Program.